Property Connect dashboard places all of the most important information in one quickly accessible place. From your dashboard, you can view important metrics and quickly access your saved searches, which will help you avoid wasting time by repeating the same search multiple times. To access your dashboard, simply click on Dashboard in the navigation menu at the top of your screen. Your dashboard displays some up-to-date statistics. The dashboard currently displays the total number of Property Connect members, the number of new members who have joined the platform in the last 30 days, and the number of views your profile has had. This is useful to keep check on how visible your profile is. The dashboard provides quick access to all of your saved searches. You can see the saved search name and the number of results returned. Each time you access your dashboard, the search algorithm runs and the results are updated. This means that you can easily see if a new member has joined the platform who meets your criteria. Clicking on any one of these cards takes you straight to that member's profile. In order to save a search to your dashboard, you simply conduct an investor search or a sourcer search. You add the filters according to your preferences and click on Saved Search, making sure that the Add to Dashboard box is ticked. Alternatively, clicking on Add Search from your dashboard allows you to conduct and save a search. If you have any further questions or suggestions, in particular what additional metrics or statistics you would like to see displayed in your dashboard, then let us know by clicking on the Contact Us button. We read every single message received.